In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check permissions in a Discord server. This is an essential skill for managing your server effectively. Understanding permissions helps you control who can do what in your community. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Discord. You can use any web browser you prefer, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Simply type Discord into the search bar and hit enter. As the search results load, you will see several links related to Discord. It's important to make sure you go to the official Discord site to avoid any phishing attempts. Once you find the official link, click on it. This is the first step in gaining access to your server settings. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. Once you land on the Discord homepage, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Enter your credentials, like your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step as well. Logging in securely is crucial because it protects your account from unauthorized access. Once you're in, you'll be ready to manage your server settings. Now, hover over the channel name and click the gear icon, which represents the Edit Channel option. You will see a list of channels on the left side of your screen. Move your cursor over the channel for which you want to check permissions. As you hover, the gear icon will appear next to the channel name. Clicking this icon will open the channel settings, where you can modify various aspects of the channel, including the permissions. This step is important because it gives you access to the specific settings you need to manage. After that, click on Permissions in the left sidebar. In the channel settings menu that appears, you will notice several tabs or sections. Look for the Permissions option in the sidebar and click on it. This area is where you will find all the roles and members associated with this channel. Understanding permissions at this level is key to ensuring that each member has the right access to the channel. Next, click on any role or member listed under Roles/Members. You will see a list of all roles and individual members who have access to the channel. Select any role or member to view their specific permissions. This allows you to see how each role or member is set up in terms of what they can or cannot do. It's a pivotal step because it helps you customize permissions based on your server's needs. Finally, look at the check marks. Green means allowed, gray means inherited, and red means denied. Each of these colors represents a different permission status. Green check marks indicate that a role or member can perform the action, while gray shows that they inherit permissions from a higher role. Red means that the action is explicitly denied. Understanding these indicators is crucial for managing your server effectively. It ensures you know exactly what each member can do. By following these steps, you can efficiently check and manage permissions in your Discord server. This helps maintain a secure and organized environment for all members. Thank you for watching and happy Discord managing.